slow, slow, slow. Whoa, oh, he's on his diff. There you go. Yay! This is Chuck.
Which way you gonna go? This is Z. You gotta quit doing that. Which way do you want to go? You gotta be almost on the edge. Hold on. Stop. Hold it. Turn sharp. Okay. Move that way.
Mm. Oh no, I don't. Ooh. Oh,
Stay
my
up here,
gosh.
stay up here. Come on. There you go. Now you can turn. Where you going, Chuck? Hold on. Now you. Whoa. Sorry, Linda, I'm in your way.
That's all right. You'll keep us from seeing a terrible accident. Oh no, hit a tree. I think a tree or something.
Oh, a tree?
Maybe.
Okay, as long as it was just a tree.
It might have been.
These men and their toys, I swear.
I know. Whoa. Whoa.
Yeah, I think they were. We were glad to be because we would have been both.
Yay, Chuck. You're brave. Smile.
Jeep's up here.
What's he against on the other side?
Nothing.
I don't know. I think he just hit center.
He just went over that rock.
No, he's down on the bottom. You're not on bottom. You got lockers? Lock them up. Both sides. Down to lock them. Yeah, go easy.
You guys gonna be here for the holidays or you leaving? Christmas? Holiday? Whatever holidays. We got 2 holidays. We actually have 3 holidays. Yeah.
Driver's side will retire. Turn 14.
I didn't think so. Oh, did you?
Turn 14 just a
Well,
little.
see, my
There you
kids
go.
are here, so.
You're sliding the back end off to the side. Yeah, back up a little. He hits backwards. Try to steer that way.
Oh, I see what's wrong. His driver's side rear tire's got to be toward the wall. He's in a hole.
Hold on.
He's out of those rocks over there. He's too far this way. Well, no, if you back up, you're going to be high center. It might be better just to put a winch on him and pull him up.
I tell you what, turn this way. And here.
No, that tire's not going to turn.
Well, he's up there. He's ready.
Easy.
It ain't going to climb it. It ain't going to climb that rock.
Well, he's not even got front tires digging.
You got his lock.
They're all locked up.
You got nothing in the
You're in
front.
4-wheel drive, aren't you? Don't look like it because your front tires aren't even.
Yeah.
Okay, go. Keep going. Toward me. Toward me. Go.
There he's going.
There you go. Yeah.
I didn't think it was in 4-wheel drive. Trying to do a 2-wheel drive climb with that, we were saying.
Hey, could you guys move out of, hey, could you guys move out of the camera's way? Thanks. I can't walk up the rocks. There you go.